Are you tired of getting burned by unreliable cars? Spending thousands on repairs just months after driving off the lot? Well, what if I told you there are 5 SUVs that Consumer Reports says are so reliable, so well built, that you could drive them for the next decade without major headaches? Stick around because I'm about to reveal the 5 best SUVs to buy in 2025. And trust me, number 3 will surprise you with just how luxurious you can go without breaking the bank. SUV number 5. Let's start with number 5, the Kia Telluride. Now, I know what you're thinking. Kia? Really? But hear me out. The Telluride has completely shattered expectations and earned Consumer Reports' highest road test score in the 3-row SUV segment. This isn't your grandfather's Kia. We're talking about a 291 horsepower V6 engine that delivers smooth, confident power. But here's what's really impressive. The interior quality rivals SUVs, costing $20,000 more. The 3rd row actually fits real adults, not just car seats and grocery bags. And speaking of space, parents, listen up. This thing has enough room for soccer gear, camping equipment, and everything else your family throws at it. The safety ratings are outstanding too. It earned the IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus award. But here's the kicker. Kia backs this with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. That's confidence in their product, and it should give you confidence too. For families needing 3 rows without paying luxury prices, the Telluride is honestly a no-brainer. But here's what sets the Telluride apart from every other SUV in its class. The dual curved 24-inch display that houses both the digital instrument cluster and 12.3-inch touchscreen under one seamless piece of glass. It's like having a command center from a luxury car at a fraction of the price. The available surround view monitor gives you an aerial view of your surroundings for easier parking, while the 10-inch head-up display projects key information directly onto your windshield, features you'd typically find in cars costing $60,000 or more. Plus, every Telluride comes with a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, turning your SUV into a mobile office for busy families. SUV number 4. Coming in at number 4 is the Honda CR-V Hybrid. And this one's all about efficiency without compromise. Consumer Reports rated this as their top hybrid SUV, and when you see the numbers, you'll understand why. 40 miles per gallon in real-world driving. That's not EPA estimates, that's actual consumer testing. In today's fuel prices, that could save you over $1,000 per year compared to a regular gas SUV. But efficiency means nothing if the car isn't practical, right? Well, the CR-V Hybrid doesn't disappoint. You get 33.2 cubic feet of cargo space, a roomy back seat that adults can actually sit in comfortably, and Honda's legendary reliability. Here's something I really appreciate. While other manufacturers are going crazy with touchscreen everything, Honda kept physical controls for climate and audio. You can adjust the temperature without taking your eyes off the road. It sounds simple, but it's these thoughtful details that make daily driving so much better. What makes the CR-V Hybrid truly unique is Honda's 2-motor hybrid system that's different from everyone else. Most hybrids use the electric motor to assist the gas engine, but Honda's system can power the wheels directly with just the electric motor at low speeds. This means you get that instant electric torque for city driving, making it feel surprisingly quick off the line. The system also features a genius trick. It can charge the battery using engine power while you're cruising, then use that stored energy for passing power when you need it most. SUV number 3. Now we're getting to number 3, and this one might shock you. The Lexus NX Hybrid. Yes, we're talking luxury, but stay with me because this isn't just about premium badges. Consumer Reports ranked this as their highest-rated luxury compact SUV, and it earned a perfect 5 out of 5 for predicted reliability. Think about that. You're getting luxury-level refinement with Toyota-level dependability. The hybrid powertrain puts out 239 combined horsepower while delivering 35 miles per gallon. That's sports car quick with economy car efficiency. Inside, you'll find materials and build quality that justify the premium price. The 14-inch touchscreen is responsive and intuitive. The seats are genuinely comfortable for long drives, and the cabin is whisper quiet at highway speeds. But here's what really sets Lexus apart: their reputation for long-term dependability. While other luxury brands might leave you at the service center, Lexus owners consistently report years of trouble-free driving. The Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 comes standard, giving you some of the most advanced safety technology available. If you want luxury without the typical luxury car headaches, the NX Hybrid proves you can have both. SUV number 2. Number 2 is the Subaru Forester, and this one's built for real-world driving conditions. Consumer Reports gave it their recommendation badge, and it's easy to see why. This SUV excels where others struggle. Standard all-wheel drive isn't just a selling point, it's Subaru's symmetrical system that actually works. Snow, mud, light off-roading. The Forester handles it all with confidence. But here's what I love most about this SUV: the visibility. Those large windows and upright design mean you can actually see what's around you. In an era of bunker-like SUVs with tiny windows, the Forester feels refreshingly open and airy. Safety is another standout feature. The Forester earned the IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus rating, and Subaru's EyeSight Driver Assistance System comes standard. With 35.4 cubic feet of cargo space and a comfortable ride quality, it's perfect for families who need practicality and safety. The resale value is excellent too. Subarus hold their value better than most brands. While the 2.5-liter engine isn't the most powerful at 182 horsepower, it's smooth, reliable, and provides adequate performance for most drivers. If you live anywhere with challenging weather or prioritize safety above all else, the Forester should be at the top of your list. SUV number 1. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The number 1 SUV according to Consumer Reports, the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. This isn't just the best compact SUV, it's the best all-around SUV choice for most buyers. Here's why it dominates. Consumer Reports gave it a perfect 5 out of 5 for predicted reliability. That's based on real owner surveys from thousands of drivers. The hybrid powertrain delivers 219 horsepower and 37 miles per gallon in real-world driving. Standard all-wheel drive means you're ready for any weather. And the Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 system provides comprehensive collision protection. The interior is more spacious than you'd expect, with 37.5 cubic feet of cargo space. The infotainment system now includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the overall design is intuitive and user-friendly. The ride quality strikes the perfect balance between comfort and handling. But here's the real reason the RAV4 Hybrid tops this list. It excels at everything without major weaknesses. It's efficient but not slow. It's reliable but not boring. It's practical but not ugly. For most buyers, this is the SUV that checks every box while providing years of trouble-free ownership. So there you have it, the 5 best SUVs to buy in 2024 according to Consumer Reports. Whether you need 3-row seating, maximum efficiency, luxury features, all-weather capability, or just the best all-around choice, there's an SUV on this list for you. Which of these SUVs would you choose? Let me know in the comments below and tell me what features matter most to you in an SUV. If this video helped you with your SUV shopping, smash that like button and subscribe for more car buying advice. And remember, the best SUV is the one that fits your specific needs and budget. So do your research and test drive before you buy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.